What's up, my good people? Welcome to Ico Reviews, and today I'm reviewing Uino Ico, breaking the bank, switching. As far as you know, which everybody know, the bank is taking most of our money, and if you are poor, you pay more, and if you are rich, the bank controls your money too. But with this ICO, based on the blockchain, they plan that they're going to have a decentralized banking. The traditional banks we have as time goes on will be no more. Now, let's scroll down and see what it's all about. The website is beautiful, I must say. Very beautiful. You can see the problems here, the bank, and the solution, the plan, the vision, and their mission. There's a video here you can watch about it. You can buy the token now. Tokens are available. Just click on here and you can apply for the token and get involved with the ICO. So UIUNIT is the name of this token, and they have 300 million total supply. For the pre-sale bonus, you get 20 to 50%. It's a ERC 2023 compatible token, and you can buy with Ethereum. You can also buy it with fiat. You can use a MasterCard to buy it. Let's go down. This is the roadmap. May 2018 is the pre-sale. Public sale from July, and public sale will end November. That is a month time. By November, the wallet will be launched, payment gateway will be here, banking service will be launched 2019, and some exchange service and debit card will be launched 2019, the second quarter. These are the team member: Amine Gaza, CEO, Lorenzo Dezopo, Thomas Wara, and all the rest are part of this ICO. These are the advisory board. You can see them one after another. Yeah. So you can find them on Facebook, on Twitter, you can find them on LinkedIn, on YouTube, or Medium. Just check them out and see what it's all about, what this ICO is all about. And of course, this is a white paper. You can check the white paper. Beautiful 36 page were put together. And I encourage you to go through the white paper. Always check the white paper for an ICO, see what it's all about, see what they hope to achieve, and you see the team members themselves. You'll be able to know what they are saying is real or not. You'll be able to know. Now let's check their Telegram. 26,039 members. That is huge. People are bullish about it. On their Twitter, 21,800 followers. That is awesome. That is awesome. So we all want the bank to go. We all want to go. There's no doubt about it in our mind. Right in our mind, we know we want traditional banks to go. We want everything to be blockchain. We want to have control over our own money. We are tired of this huge exchange rate. You transfer money from country to country. The huge exchange rate they are charging and all the rest. We are tired of it. Now we want to take over it ourselves, our own way, our own way. So this is my review about this ICO, Uino ICO, and don't forget to sign up for this ICO. But do not forget, anything I've said in this review is strictly my personal opinion. Do your own due diligence, read the white paper, and make your own decision. This is ICO Reviews. I love you guys for watching my video. Please, before you go, do well by subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, and click on the notification bell. When I bring new videos, you'll be among the first to watch my video. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.